stunning short videos that captivate millions of viewers effortlessly. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to craft one of these visually mesmerizing videos, just like the one you saw at the start. Picture this: a mouth-watering dish with tiny, hard-working figurines bringing it to life. A concept so unique that it guarantees engagement. The best part? You don't need to be a professional editor. By following the steps I'll outline, you can create these viral-worthy videos with ease. The power of short-form videos like this lies in their appeal and shareability, making them an incredible tool for growing your online presence. For instance, there's an Instagram account that consistently churns out these types of videos and has garnered millions of views per post. These videos not only draw attention, but also generate substantial income for their creators. Stay tuned as I guide you through the entire process, from crafting the visuals to editing the final product, using the latest AI tools. The popularity of this style stems from its universal appeal and the sense of wonder it inspires. These videos tap into viewers' curiosity while maintaining a professional and polished look. More importantly, they're proof that anyone can achieve similar results by leveraging accessible tools and creativity. In this tutorial, you'll learn to replicate this success by creating your own high-quality, engaging videos, all while having fun. The first step in creating these videos is utilizing ChatGPT to generate detailed prompts based on a specific visual. Start by taking a screenshot of a captivating scene, such as a beautifully plated dish, and uploading it to ChatGPT. Ask the AI to craft a comprehensive prompt inspired by the image. You can further enhance this by providing additional details, like the type of cuisine or specific elements in the scene that you want to highlight. Once you have your initial prompt, you can use ChatGPT to create variations tailored to different culinary themes. For example, you could request prompts focusing on Asian dishes, Indian feasts, or Mediterranean spreads. This flexibility allows you to experiment with diverse styles and ensure your video concepts remain fresh and exciting. By harnessing ChatGPT's capabilities, you'll have a solid foundation for creating visually striking content. Next, bring your vision to life by generating images using AI platforms like Leonardo.ai or Freepik. Start by inputting the detailed prompts from ChatGPT into these tools to create high-quality visuals. I tested both platforms, and while Leonardo.ai produced decent results, Freepik's AI engine delivered superior images that perfectly matched my creative vision. The clarity and attention to detail in these images make them ideal for short videos. Experiment with different prompts and platforms to find the style that best suits your project. Whether you're focusing on vibrant colors, intricate details, or themed aesthetics, these tools offer endless possibilities. By the end of this step, you'll have a collection of eye-catching images ready to be transformed into your video masterpiece. With your images ready, it's time to turn them into an engaging video using Hailuo.ai. Simply upload your visuals to the platform and input a straightforward prompt describing the desired flow of the video. This tool will seamlessly compile your images into a smooth, professional-looking sequence. The process is quick and intuitive, making it perfect for creators of all skill levels. Hailuo.ai also allows for customization, so you can tweak the pacing, transitions, and effects to align with your vision. Once the video is generated, review it to ensure it matches your expectations. By using this tool, you'll save hours of manual editing while producing high-quality content that stands out. Sound is a crucial element of any video, and platforms like ElevenLabs make it easy to create immersive audio effects. For this project, I used ElevenLabs to generate sounds like sizzling food, bubbling pots, and subtle kitchen ambiance. These effects add depth and realism to your video, enhancing its appeal and engagement. In addition to sound effects, consider incorporating background music to set the mood. Choose tracks that complement the theme of your video, whether it's upbeat, calming, or cinematic. By combining these audio elements, you'll create a multi-sensory experience that keeps viewers hooked from start to finish. Finally, bring everything together using CapCut, a user-friendly video editing tool. Begin by importing your video and audio files into the platform, arranging them in the desired sequence. Use CapCut's wide range of effects and transitions to enhance the visual appeal of your video. Add text overlays, adjust the timing, and experiment with filters to achieve a polished look. CapCut's intuitive interface makes it easy to refine your project and ensure everything flows seamlessly. Once you're satisfied with the final product, export the video in high quality. With all the elements combined, you now have a professional-grade video ready to share with the world. Congratulations! You've just learned how to create captivating short videos that can take your content game to the next level. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Your support means the world to me, and I'd love to hear about your creations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.